Well, for the day, obviously, you have to look to go long because the market broke out of a narrow range and now is looking to move higher. So, Nifty support band for the day, for the week, let's start with the week first. For the week is around 7264 to about 7315. Resistance band is at 7419 to about 7470. Bank Nifty support band is 15,007 to about 15,146, and resistance band is 15,424 to about 15,563. CNX IT support bands are around 8652 to about 8796. Resistance band is at 9037 to about 9086. As far as for the day is concerned, support band for the Nifty are 7319 to 7343. Resistance band is 7391 to 7415. Bank Nifty support bands 15,093 to about 15,189. Resistance band around 15,381 to 15,477. CNX IT support band 8814 to about 8877. Resistance band 9,005 to about 9,068. The idea again, try to look for dips to buy. It could be intraday dip, it could be a 2-3 bar down on a 15-minute chart. Any sort of dip should be bought. BTST from Friday, JP Associates is a buy with a stop of 72, target of 88. JSW Steel is a buy with a stop of 1200, target of 1350. Century Textile is a buy with a stop of 500, target of 545. Fresh Calls NBCC is a buy with a stop of 300, target of 325. PFC is a buy with a stop of 300, target of 335. KSB Pumps is a buy with a stop of 500, target of 550. Orient Bank is a buy with a stop of 348, target of 375. Syndicate Bank is a buy with a stop of 144, target of 162. And Aban Lloyd is a buy with a stop of 685, target of 750.
A buy in IDFC, stop loss 133.50, target 168. A buy in Arcom, stop loss 135, target 165. A buy in Eros Media, stop loss 183, target 210. A buy in BASF, BASF, stop loss 760, target 860. And a buy in JP Power, stop loss 22, target 31.
We have a buy on Bank of Baroda, buy with a stop at 934. Look for targets of around 1000. Exide Industries looking very exciting and possibly could give a long-term breakout. So in the short term, it's a buy with a target of 155. But if it starts giving a weekly close above 145, 150 levels, then we might see a longer-term trend start over here. Currently, buy with a stop at 136. Look for targets of 155. Havells is a trading sell if it breaks 932. Sell then with a stop at 944 for short-term targets of 905. IDFC is a buy with a stop at 137 for targets of 155. And I've got a sell on Lupin, which is a sell with a stop at 935 half for short-term targets of 902, which is also the 200-day average.
We have a couple of top recommending ideas over here, but the first thing that comes to my mind is, in this kind of market, what is going to fall first? So Lupin has come to my mind. I see a distribution pattern happening on the weekly charts. So the first thing will be, I'll be selling Lupin at these levels for a target of 860 and keep a stop loss of 936 on daily closing basis. So I feel this stock is going to crack, and whenever we see profit taking in the market, these kind of stock will be the first to go down. So I see a distribution pattern on the Lupin. The second stock that comes to my mind that we are buying Tata Steel. There's a very good breakout on the weekly charts. There's a weekly head and shoulders pattern. So my targets are at 540. I won't be surprised even if the prices travel beyond 540, 550. But the stock is amazingly looking good on higher time frame charts. So you should buy this and keep a stop loss of 473 on daily closing basis. And the last recommendation for the day is Wipro. We saw stock, tanking down from 550 odd levels. We are at almost at 490, 492. So one has to buy this correction, keep a minimal stop loss of 474 and keep a target of 540 on 540. So I think the correction is done. So one should buy this correction.
If you look at LIC Housing Finance, the stock has made its all-time high around 355-360 zone, and post that we saw some correction towards 320-330 zone. Stock has formed a very good base around this 320-330 zone and has given a good breakout. I think now upside this stock can retest its all-time high, which is around 360 levels. So one can initiate a long position at current levels with a small stop loss of 333 levels. The second counter which we are recommending long is a high beta cement stock, which is JP Associates. Stock has been consolidating for last 4-5 trading sessions between this 76 on downside to 80 levels on upside. Today it has given a good breakout above this 80 zone, so I think on upside one can see the stock testing 92 levels as a target. One can initiate a long position with a stop below 78 for an upside target of 92 levels. The third pick is Voltas. Again, this stock has seen a good correction from 220-230 zone to almost 180-185 levels. Now we have seen a very good consolidation, so looks like this stock can give a good breakout above this 194-195 zone. One can initiate a long position with a stop below 188, and on upside can expect a target of 212 levels.